So, you're using LinkedIn to look for your next job. That's a good plan. 4 people are hired every minute via the platform. It does mean there's lots of competition though. In this video, we'll share our top LinkedIn job search tips. Before we do, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more career tips. To search for open positions, head to the Jobs section. Here you can filter jobs by experience level, industry, location, salary expectations, and much more. Then, set alerts with these filters to receive regular emails when new vacancies are announced. If there's a specific company you want to work for, go to their company page and click their Follow button. You'll be notified about their latest news, including hiring updates. Remember, LinkedIn's not just there for you to find jobs, it's for recruiters to find you. With 87% of recruiters using the platform, make sure your profile stands out. Keep it up to date. Add your personal statement to the About section and write a headline in the Intro section. That includes any relevant keywords. Edit your profile's URL to sound professional and provide your contact info too. When your profile's ready, click the Open To button to tell recruiters you're happy to be approached about relevant job openings. Another of our important LinkedIn job search tips is don't be a passive LinkedIn user. Keeping active on the platform and engaging with the right people or content could be your first step towards landing your next job. Join and participate in relevant groups. Post and share insightful content. Seek skill endorsements and recommendations. Network and make connections. 80% of LinkedIn users say professional networking is vital for success, and nearly 50% of recruiters say referrals are the best way to find quality hires. Also, take the 1-month free LinkedIn Premium trial to send in-mails to hiring managers about open roles. This is 2.6 times more effective than email. If you were offered a job off the back of your LinkedIn job search, here's some more good news. New employees found through the platform are 40% less likely to leave their new company within 6 months. Thanks for watching. If you found our LinkedIn job search tips useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to PurpleCV's YouTube channel.